dinner, and somehow we all ended up back in our hotel room. And the next thing you know, my two girlfriends are gone.
So it's just you and this male stripper?
It's me and the male stripper.
And so you watch television?
We listen to music.
Oh.
Yeah, we listen to music, and we talked a little bit. And
his clothes came off.
Yeah. And
so you're here to tell us that you had sex with a stripper?
I did.
Okay, so now, so what happened? So now what?
So I, afterwards, he had to leave. I was like, okay, you have to go. Like, this is totally not me. I'm not even doing anything like that. So he's like, okay, cool. He left. The next day, we left. And since then, I can't stop thinking about him.
Oh, you're still... Now you're sorry to... Yeah.
But now I'm sorry that I made him leave.
Okay, because you'd like to see him again.
Yes, I do.
Well, it is Valentine's Day.